Welcome. If you're looking to let your Telegram group members send files, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to enable file sharing for everyone in your group, making collaboration and communication smoother than ever. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and have admin rights in the group you want to change. Once you're in, head over to your list of chats and select the group where you want to allow file sharing. Now, tap on the group picture or the group name at the top of your chat screen. This will open the group's information page, where you'll find all the settings and details related to your group. Next, look for the edit icon, usually a pencil or similar symbol, at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to enter the group editing mode. Here, you'll see a range of options to customize how your group works. Find and tap on the Permissions section. This is where you control what group members can and cannot do. Inside Permissions, you'll see a list of actions, including sending messages, media, stickers, and more. To allow file sharing, tap on Send Media. This will show you a detailed list of media types that members can send. Look for the option labeled Files and make sure it's checked or enabled. This setting gives all group members the ability to send documents, PDFs, images, and other file types directly in the chat. Once you've checked the Files option, simply go back or save your changes. That's it. Your group members can now send files freely, making it easier to share important documents, presentations, or any other files right inside your Telegram group. With these simple steps, you've unlocked a powerful feature for your community. Enjoy seamless file sharing and keep your group's productivity at its best.